The future isn't coming in 2025. It's about to explode right in front of us. From brain-controlled machines to robots that defy physics, these next-level technologies will shake the world to its core. Let's not waste a second. We're starting the points right now. Lunar Terrain Vehicle. NASA's Lunar Terrain Vehicle isn't just a rover. It's a game-changing lunar machine built for the moon's most extreme danger zones. Designed for the brutal South Pole, this beast can carry astronauts across deadly craters, survive insane temperature swings, and even operate fully autonomously with no crew on board. With robotic arms, modular cargo space, and AI-driven navigation, the LTV will completely reshape how humans explore, work, and live on the moon. This vehicle is about to redefine the future of lunar missions. LTA vehicles could disrupt aviation by making ultra-efficient, low-emission air transport a reality. Wingsuit Foil. The Wingsuit Foil is pushing human flight into absolutely unbelievable territory. This custom wing attachment gives pilots sustained lift, altitude gain, and insane maneuverability that regular wingsuits could never achieve. Austrian pilot Peter Salzmann proved it by soaring for over 2 minutes while literally climbing upward along mountain ridges. Engineered with Red Bull's cutting-edge tech, this innovation almost doubles flight efficiency. This is the closest humans have ever come to real bird-like soaring. It's mind-blowing. Agile Robots. Agile One is not just another humanoid robot. It's a factory-ready powerhouse that feels like it belongs in the next century. Standing 174 centimeters tall, it features insanely dexterous hands with 21 joints each, allowing delicate, human-like precision. It walks at 2 meters per second, lifts 20 kilograms, and uses advanced AI trained on real industrial data to work completely autonomously. This robot isn't here to assist workers. It's here to redefine the future of manufacturing. Delta Black Raider 330. The Delta Black Raider 330 isn't just a drone. It's a next-level aerial monster built for missions that feel straight out of a sci-fi battlefield. With 28+ hours of endurance, over 1,600 nautical miles of range, and hybrid electric VTOL power, this thing can take off and land almost anywhere. It operates autonomously, thrives in GPS-denied environments, and delivers elite ISR, logistics, and targeting capabilities. This drone doesn't just upgrade warfare, it completely changes the rules. LEO Flight Solo JetBike. The LEO Flight Solo JetBike looks like something torn straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. This personal electric air speeder uses propeller-free jet propulsion powered by solid-state batteries, giving riders up to 60 miles per hour of pure low-altitude flight. With a 10 to 15-minute flight time and a max height of around 15 feet, it requires no pilot license under FAA Part 103. This jet bike is about to make personal flight feel shockingly real and insanely accessible. Peugeot 208. Next Gen. The next generation, Peugeot 208 isn't just a compact car. It's a shockingly advanced urban machine packed into a small frame. Offering both petrol and electric versions, it delivers a punchy 1.2-liter turbo engine or a 350-kilometer EV range that feels unreal for its size. Inside, you get a futuristic cockpit with a 7-inch touchscreen, smart connectivity, and serious safety tech. This little hatchback brings big car innovation straight into everyday city driving. SolarBrick. SolarBrick Gen 3 isn't just a solar panel. It's a portable power revolution you can snap together like Lego. These ultra-thin magnetic panels instantly lock into place, letting you build a custom solar array anywhere in seconds. Delivering up to 20 watts through a fast USB-C port, it can charge phones, tablets, and essential gear even in tough outdoor conditions. This modular solar tech makes off-grid power shockingly simple, flexible, and future-proof. BrainBridge. BrainBridge isn't just futuristic, it's terrifyingly advanced. This world-first head transplant machine uses 2 autonomous surgical robots to operate on a donor and recipient at the same time with microscopic precision. It reconnects spinal cords, blood vessels, and nerves using AI-guided microsurgery and a special chemical adhesive designed to trigger neural regeneration. Paired with a brain-computer interface wristband, patients can communicate during recovery. This technology pushes medicine into a realm once thought impossible, and it's absolutely shocking. Lighter than air. Lighter than air technology looks like something ripped straight from a futuristic movie. These advanced airships use helium or hydrogen to generate massive lift with almost zero energy, making ultra-efficient flight a reality. Built with lightweight materials, autonomous control systems, and clean energy propulsion, LTA vehicles can deliver cargo, telecom gear, and disaster relief supplies to places normal aircraft can't reach. This tech could flip the entire aviation industry by making low-emission, long-range air travel shockingly efficient. Microfluidic cooling. Microfluidic cooling sounds like sci-fi, but it's already transforming medicine and electronics in unbelievable ways. Using ultra-tiny channels to push coolant directly over heat-generating components, it delivers near-perfect temperature control even in the most delicate systems. From brain-on-a-chip research to advanced neurosurgery, this tech prevents overheating while enabling smaller, safer, and more powerful devices. This microscopic cooling method could redefine everything from medical tools to next-gen processors. It's shockingly advanced. Robot to 3D print homes. This massive 3D printing robot is rewriting the entire construction industry, and it looks absolutely unreal in action. Standing nearly 70 feet tall, Phoenix can print full multi-story homes, foundations, and even roofs using Icon's low-carbon lava material. It's faster, cheaper, and way more precise than human builders, cutting construction costs by nearly half. This giant robot could make affordable, automated housing a global reality, and it's shockingly powerful. Dacia Hipster concept. The Dacia Hipster concept looks tiny, but it's shockingly smart and wildly practical. Just 3 meters long, this ultra-light EV still fits 4 adults and features a modular trunk that expands from 70 to a massive 500 liters. Inside, your smartphone becomes the key, display, and entertainment system, while 11 customizable clips let you attach accessories anywhere. This micro-electric car proves that the future of urban mobility can be insanely compact, affordable, and fun. Plenty, future of farming. Plenty is transforming agriculture with a jaw-dropping fusion of AI, robotics, and vertical farming. Instead of fields, crops grow indoors in massive climate-controlled towers, where AI optimizes light, water, temperature, and nutrients with insane precision. Using 90 to 95% less water and 0 pesticides, it produces cleaner, fresher food year-round, right next to major cities. This isn't just farming, It's a complete technological revolution in how we grow food. Mudra Link. The Mudra Link isn't just a wristband. It's a mind-blowing neural controller that turns tiny nerve signals in your wrist into real digital commands. Using advanced brain-machine interface tech, it lets you control phones, tablets, VR, and smart home devices with nothing but subtle hand gestures. No buttons, no screens. Just pure neural precision. This wearable is literally the first step toward controlling technology with your mind, and it's shockingly real. Swincar. The Swincar isn't just an off-road vehicle. It's a gravity-defying electric spider built for terrain that would destroy normal machines. Its unique pendulum suspension keeps the driver perfectly upright, while each wheel tilts independently, gripping the ground like nothing else. With a top speed of 19 miles per hour and up to 4 hours of range, it tackles steep slopes and rough landscapes with insane stability. This EV turns impossible terrain into a playground. It's wild to watch. Antic Bikes. Antic Bikes aren't just electric mini bikes. They're retro-styled stunt machines engineered for pure adrenaline. Inspired by 1970s mini bikes, these beasts pack one wheel's powerful hub motor, punchy acceleration, and fat go-kart tires that hit around 35 miles per hour with ridiculous ease. The insane part? One-wheel mode, a self-balancing wheelie system that lets almost anyone pull long, controlled wheelies like a pro. This is the most fun, wild, and futuristic mini bike you'll ever see. Ocean Cleanup System. The upgraded Ocean Cleanup System is a planet-saving tech revolution powered by AI. Using machine learning models, autonomous drones, and real-time tracking, it now identifies and predicts plastic hotspots up to 10 times faster than before. AI imaging catalogs every piece of collected waste, making cleanup missions smarter and more targeted. This system could reduce floating ocean plastic by 90% by 2040. A mind-blowing leap toward restoring our planet's oceans. Five-legged robot. This five-legged robot, called the Stalker, looks like something straight out of an alien world, and its abilities are just as shocking. Built with 3D-printed nylon, carbon fiber, and aluminum joints, it supports a full adult while moving with insane stability. Its star-shaped leg layout means it has no front or back, letting it shift and rebalance itself in ways traditional robots simply can't. This machine redefines robotic mobility with a design that feels almost extraterrestrial. The future isn't just coming, it's already breaking into our world with unbelievable force. Tell me which technology shocked you the most, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more next-level future tech drops.